Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to wrap text in Excel. Wrapping text in Excel allows long text to fit neatly inside a cell by displaying it on multiple lines, making your spreadsheet easier to read without changing the column width. To get started, open your Excel worksheet and select the cell or cells that contain the text that you want to wrap. In my case, let's say I want to wrap this, so just select it. After selecting the cell, go to the Home tab and you will see an option called Wrap shown by this icon, which may vary by region. Make sure to find the option called Wrap and click on it. As soon as you click it, Excel will automatically adjust the row height and display the text on multiple lines within the same cell. If the text still does not look right, you can manually adjust the row height by dragging the row border downward until all the text is visible. You can also turn off text wrapping at any time by selecting the cell again and clicking the Wrap option. And that's it. We just learned how to wrap text in Excel to display long content clearly within a single cell. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.